Okay, for installation of a telecom fixture, the first thing that you'll want to do is to make sure the header sign is dropped in the top slot. In this case, it's the no contract phone yellow sign. Followed by that, you'll want to go ahead and place the signs which indicate each wireless carrier. Keeping in mind, you want to start from the right first, working your way to the left. Also note, when placing the carrier signs, you'll want to make sure that when you put in the pins, do not put them in snugly until you're sure all signs are placed correctly. Lastly, make sure that you reference the planograms so that you ensure you're setting the signs in the correct position. For example, Net 10 has an unlimited plan and a family plan, and you'll want to make sure the signs are placed where the product is planogrammed. When each sign is placed, it will be placed with a one-hole margin on each side of the sign. Once all signs are in place, go back to all your pins and make sure they are securely pushed in order to make sure the sign stays up. When you're done with the signs, hold on to the extra pins. Those are for the GPR side of the end cap fixture. Placing all the wireless carrier signage, you'll want to go ahead and display the bring your own phone cards, and then proceed putting in the pegs on the fixture according to planogram and making sure that 2 holes are visible in between each peg.
Perfect.
Placing all the carrier signs, you'll want to put on the Telecom labels according to planogram. Make sure as you put them on that you don't adhere them to the fixture until you are 100% sure that everything is placed accurately, and then proceed with removing the sticky from the back and placing them. Next, you'll want to go ahead and put the pods on, but first place a chit so that you can place the pods evenly, and then proceed to a left pod, a right pod, and then a middle pod, and make sure that there's 9 holes in between each hook from pod to pod. Secure with the black Christmas tree clip which came with your kits. Placing the pods, go ahead and put the chit behind the pod, and then take the clips at the bottom and pull up the top of each one so that you can place the flip card. This also came in the kit. And then you'll want to remove the adhesive, and this is where the dummy foam places. So go ahead and make sure it's centered, secure it on, and it's done. Placing the phone, chit, and flip card kit, go ahead and peg the inside of the fixture, the storage area where you will be placing the live phones. Make sure that you leave plenty of space in between pegs so that the live phone packaging will fit. What you want to do is to place all your cards on your fixtures. Make sure that you are matching the name of the card and the denomination from the Telecom label to the card itself. Notice that some of the packaging differs from that on the Telecom label, so it is really important to reference the description and denomination. Here's the final fixture with header sign, chits, phones, cards, and wireless carrier signs.